G'day, it's Colin from Wurth, and what I've got here is the Wurth Silicone Remover. Now we've got it in a 600ml spray can. Now we've had our wax and grease for removing silicone in the 20 litre for some time, but now we've got it in a convenient 600ml can. Now what silicone remover does is it removes silicone from paintwork, from panels, from all sorts of things if you want to then spray paint them or use an adhesive on it or something like that, because the silicone stops the paint from adhering or the adhesive adhering as well. So we need to clean it off. Now how we use this product is we spray it on and then we wipe it off. And when we wipe it off with a rag, it removes all the silicone, so we then can paint or use an adhesive on it. So what I've done is I've grabbed a couple of old wiper arms I had here and I've sprayed them with silicone spray. Now one we're going to paint without using the silicone remover, and the other will paint using the silicone remover, and you'll see how the paint adheres and we don't get those fish eyes. So let's go have a look. So to show you how the silicone remover works, what I'm going to do is I've got this wiper arm here. I'm just going to spray it with some silicone spray. And now I'm just going to hit it with some paint, and we'll see what happens to the paint finish. So the silicone spray has left all these dots in the paint, which in the industry are known as fish eyes. We're going to use the silicone remover on another one to remove the silicone and see what the finish looks like then. So this time I'm going to use the Wurth Silicone Remover. I'll give it a quick spray, then with a clean dry rag I'll give it a wipe. Now I'll let that dry just for a few seconds, and then I'll be able to paint it and we won't get that fisheye look. So as you can see, we've used the silicone remover and we don't have that fisheye effect anymore, and the paint looks fantastic. So you've now seen how using the silicone remover eliminates that silicone and we get that fantastic paint finish without all the fisheyes and little bubbles in there. Now, if you've got a bulk situation, of course, we sell it in the 20 litre, the wax and grease remover. And now the 600ml can for those smaller spot repairs that you want to do on the go. So if you have any questions, please leave them in the comment section. Don't forget to like our page. And the Wurth Silicone Remover, it's ready for work.